Welcome back to the Porterhaus. This is AP. Today I am making a coffee mug holder. It all started with this 1x4. I measured to 21 inches, made a mark, and it's off to the chop saw. I'm making 3 identical cuts here. I used the first cut to basically measure the other cuts. That way I end up with 3 identical 21-inch 1x4s. Special thanks to my daughter Anaya for the excellent camera work. So this is a 1x5, it's a decking plank. It's a little taller than the others, so I thought I'd use that as a header. So I marked it at 21 inches, took it over, chopped it down. I didn't like the rounded edges, so off camera, I stripped them off on the table saw. So we're back at the 1x4. I cut that down. I guess that would be called the stiles because it's going vertical. I just ripped it right in the middle. Tried not to lose a finger. Using my makeshift push stick. But it worked. 2 identical pieces. Right here I got a straight edge. I'm just marking out where I'm going to put my hardware. So I measured out the 21 inches. I made a mark at 3 inches, and then every 5 inches where I'm going to put my hardware, that left 3 inches on the end. So I got 3 inches on each end, 5 inches in between each hook. Now these are coat hooks. They're not actually cup hooks, but my wife likes them better, so that's what we're using. I pre-drilled all the holes. Transferred the marks to the other rails. More pre-drilling. And here I'm not really sanding for a finished look, I'm just trying to get that pencil mark off. Now here's something that you gotta think about when you're building things. The length of your screws, that's pretty important. Mine are too long. So I didn't screw them all the way down. I came back later off camera and I fixed it. I put an extra thin piece of wood on the back so I could screw them in nice and tight. It did require me to take the whole thing apart though, so I thought I'd save you the headache of watching. Still didn't get rid of that pencil mark. So I have 12 hooks on this. And then I took them all off. because I decided to put on some polyurethane. Didn't want to change the look of the wood too much, but I think it does give it a little sheen, a little gloss. Then I reinstalled the hardware. At the vinyl cutter, doing a quick cut, the word coffee, and my wife is peeling it out for me. This is the part that would drive me crazy, but she's really good at it. She's a real one. So you put the transfer paper on top, and then you can just peel the word right off of the backing, and you place it where you want it. And there you have it. A coffee mug holder. 12 cups, if you really like coffee, like we do. Thanks for watching, guys.